you ever seen gorgeous paint and furniture? You know, stuff like this. And you've wanted to recreate the look on a piece of your own, but you have no idea where to start. Well, you're in luck because I have a solution. I have a brand new online course created just for you, my start to finish Baby Jacobean Buffet. In this course, we are starting from square one. I teach you all sorts of important skills like how to remove damaged veneer, how to properly prep clean your furniture. I give you all of my product recommendations, especially when it comes to primer. And I get up close and personal to show you the painting process. I also give you my insider's tips for applying protective finishes. In addition to showing you how to transform the outside of a piece of furniture, I give you all of my tips and tricks for transforming the inside as well. And especially how to keep your drawers extra squeaky clean so paint doesn't get anywhere it doesn't belong. So what do you say? Are you ready to learn with me? I'll see you online.